Hello friends, welcome to tootscorner.com videos. Top 10 best health benefits of sesame oil. Sesame oil is very beneficial ingredient for your overall health. It contains many essential nutrients which are important for the function of different parts of the body and also provides protection to your body from different diseases. Here are some of the health benefits of sesame oil. Good for diabetic patients. Sesame oil is very rich in magnesium, which is a very important nutrient for your health. It also helps in lowering high blood pressure. It is also very good for diabetic patients. For their good health, they should take it as a part of their daily life. Prevents asthma. Sesame oil also prevents respiratory disorders such as asthma, and it protects DNA from radiation damage. It is easy to digest as it contains high amount of fiber, which also eliminates waste from your digestive system. Lowers bad cholesterol level. The presence of phytosterol in sesame oil works great for your body as it lowers the bad cholesterol level. It also contains copper, which is very important nutrient for strengthening your joint and bones. Strengthens the liver. The people who consume sesame oil on regular basis have a healthy liver as it strengthens the liver and it also protects the liver from the impact of alcohol on it. This is only possible if it is made a part of the daily diet. Keeps arteries healthy. Sesame oil also contains polyunsaturated fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, which are found only in some of the healthy foods. This helps you to keep your arteries and cells healthy. Helps provide deep sleep. The presence of vitamins in sesame oil helps in providing sleep deeply as it reduces serotonin, which is important for your body for sleeping better. It also contains some of the stress relieving nutrients such as calcium and magnesium, which also assists a lot. Produces energy. Sesame oil contains high amount of iron, which is very important for your people who feel a weakness in their body. It also contains a protein, which is also an essential nutrient for producing energy in the body. Good for heart. Sesame oil is very good for the heart as it contains some anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which keep the heart problems such as heart attack away. For a long life, include it in your daily diet. Good for eyes. Sesame oil is also very good for eyes because of the presence of essential nutrients for healthy eye, to improve eyesight and helps to see properly. Good for dental health. Sesame oil is also very good for dental health as it makes the teeth white and makes them strong. It is a good food which is very good for overall health. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.